The Sri Lankan elephant, Elephas maximus, is the largest and darkest subspecies of the Asian elephant, characterized by patches of depigmentation on its ears, face, and trunk. Indigenous to the island, these highly social and intelligent gentle giants act as vital keystone species that shape the local ecosystems. Sri Lankan elephants are recognized by their convex backs and relatively small ears compared to their African cousins. An adult typically stands between 2 to 3.5 meters tall and weighs anywhere from 2,000 to 5,500 kilograms. Unlike African elephants where both sexes have tusks, only a small fraction of male Sri Lankan elephants, around 7%, bear tusks. The tuskless males are referred to locally as makhna. As herbivores, they consume up to 150 kilograms of vegetation daily, playing an essential role in dispersing seeds and maintaining forest health. These iconic mammals roam the island's dry zones in the north, east, and southeast. They are highly social, gathering in matriarchal herds of 12 to 20 or more individuals, led by the oldest and most experienced female. One of the most spectacular wildlife spectacles in the world is the Minaria elephant gathering, where over 300 elephants congregate during the dry season to feed on lush grasses around the reservoir tanks in Minaria National Park. Other excellent places to observe them in their natural habitat include Uddawalla National Park, Kodala National Park, Waskamua National Park, and Yala National Park. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.